Hello, I'm Rose. Welcome back to our series on starting a profitable business with just $5,000 from home. Today's idea: mobile car wash service. Clean cars anywhere. A mobile car wash business lets you bring convenience straight to your customers at their homes, offices, or parking lots. All you need is basic cleaning equipment, eco-friendly supplies, and a reliable vehicle. How to start: buy pressure washers, vacuums, and cleaning products. Offer packages like exterior wash, interior detailing, or both. Promote your services locally on social media or apps like Nextdoor. Focus on quality and reliability to build a loyal client base. It's a low-cost, high-demand service that keeps cars sparkling and your income flowing.